Hello to everyone and welcome back to this channel. The 2025 Diversity Visa Lottery results were released earlier in this month of May. And obviously, we had those who were selected in the lottery and those who were not selected. Now, in today's video, I have news for both of those groups of persons. So let me begin with those who happen to have been selected in the Diversity Visa Lottery. I'm glad to announce to you guys that there is guidance available for those who happen to get selected in the Diversity Visa Lottery by means of this channel. On this channel, guidance is in twofold. Firstly, there is general guidance that I provide in my videos, and there is what I refer to as case-specific guidance, that is guidance for individual cases. Now, someone may ask, why should I sign up for Diversity Visa guidance? So let me share with you an experience that I have every year. Every year around this time, everyone goes about submitting their DS-260, something that is quite normal. But then later on in the fiscal year, especially at the beginning of the new year, I usually have people contacting me and saying, Rodney, I submitted my DS-260 right after the results were released last year in the month of May, and my case number has been current for several months now, but so far I have not been scheduled for interview. Now, when such persons sign up for my guidance and I conduct assessment of their diversity visa application, I see that at the very beginning, they got something wrong. There are times that we manage to solve the issue, but there are other times that there is nothing we can do at that point. That is why diversity visa guidance is important. Now, I know that that doesn't happen to all those who get selected in the diversity visa lottery, and that is why I usually say that my guidance is for those who need it. So in case you can navigate the diversity visa application process all alone, then perhaps you do not need my guidance. But on the other hand, in case you would like to be accompanied in your diversity visa application process, or perhaps there is something that you would like to discuss with someone who is knowledgeable in the diversity visa program, or perhaps there is some issue that you are doubtful about, those are all cases of case-specific or individual case guidance, and that happens on my guidance platform, which I'm going to share with you guys in a moment. Now, let me also mention that you are not obliged to remain signed up for my guidance. I've had cases where applicants sign up for only 1 month, they got the proper orientation for their diversity visa case, and then they continue the rest of the process alone. That's a possibility. Now, over to the second group of persons, those who were not fortunate to be selected in the last diversity visa lottery. The lottery for this year is expected to begin in the month of October, as is the case every year. So I have the pleasure to officially announce to you guys my diversity visa lottery services for this year. My services concern both the diversity visa photograph as well as submission of entries to the diversity visa lottery. You know, the diversity visa photograph is the most important aspect of your diversity visa entry. When you submit a photograph that does not respect the specifications, you are automatically disqualified from the diversity visa lottery. So what I do is to provide instructions on how to go about taking diversity visa photographs. I also appraise and approve photographs that entrants intend to use as part of their diversity visa entry. These services are also available on my diversity visa guidance and services platform that I'm going to share with you guys before the end of this video. Now, allow me to include a third group of persons. You may be watching this video, but you are not familiar with the diversity visa program. You do not understand what I'm speaking about in this video, but you are interested. I also provide guidance to that respect on my diversity visa guidance and services platform. So what I'm going to do now for these three groups of persons is to include the link to my guidance platform just below this video. I advise that you click on that link. On the homepage, there are two forms. One pertains to guidance for those who have already been selected in the diversity visa lottery, and the other form concerns those who have not been selected. They wish to enter the upcoming diversity visa lottery. So include your email address in the appropriate form. Make sure that you have access to that address, because a few hours later, I'm going to send you more information concerning my diversity visa guidance and services. Now, I must also add that these are not the only services that I offer on my guidance platform. As long as it has to do with the diversity visa program, I offer services in all respects of the program. Another thing is that to benefit from these services, there is a reasonable service charge to pay. So once again, click on that link and I will see you either on my guidance platform or in the next video on this channel. Until then, thanks for watching and see you very soon, God willing.